In today's video, we are going to see how to install C++ compiler on VS Code. First of all, we will open our Google Chrome and we'll search for MinGW download. The first website which appears, that is Minimalistic GNU for Windows download. Open that website and click on download. The file will start automatically downloading. Now that the file has been downloaded, just click on it. After clicking, it will take some time and a new window will get open. Yes, so now we will click on install here and we'll keep the default path and just click on continue. Now some packages are being downloaded, let it get downloaded. And yes, things are being downloaded. It will take few minutes. Now click on continue. Now we have to download some packages, that is we need a basic developer tool, then compiler for C++ and for C as well. We'll mark all of them for installation like this. If you need a compiler for ADA and Fortran also, you can mark them as well for installation. Now we'll go to installation and then click on apply changes. After doing this, we'll just click on apply and all the packages that we have marked will get start downloading. After all the packages have been downloaded, we will click on close and we'll close all the windows. Now we'll go to C drive and click on MinGW, then on the bin. We will copy the bin path. Now we will open environment variable. That is edit the system environment variable, then system path. Click on new, paste the path what we have copied, then okay and okay. Yes, after doing this we will open the cmd and check if our C++ has been installed or not. Just write c g++ hyphen version and yes, you can see our MinGW has been completely installed. Now we will try to run a C++ code on the VS Code as well. We will open the VS Code and yeah, I have written a short C++ code and will try to run it. And before running the C++ program, we will install some C++ extension packs that we need for better running and compilation on the VS Code. So it is already recommending me all the extensions, so I will just click on install and all the extensions will get automatically installed. So after doing this, I will just click on run button and my program, C++ program, will get run without any errors. You can see hello world is being printed. So this was all for today's video. We have successfully installed C++. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.